Yo everybody, welcome back to Water Closet channel. Today I got a parcel, long time no see really. To Singapore now is going back to phase 2 now, so can I go out and dine in, so yeah, call for delivery. Anyway, further ado, let's open this. Pink color, nice, right? Anything else? No. Ta-da! 5-star review. This is your exclusive purchase. Thank you. We should have a happy day. Behind, hello dear friend. Picun. How to pronounce this? P-I-Pi C-U-N Chun Kan. Anyway, thanks for me. Bubble wrap. Check out. Nice. See. Front. Hi Cat. 送给可爱的你。For you. For cute you. Meow meow meow. And bottom here is basically the case with a cat face and a cat ears. Then front here should be the tablet, phone. What is this? Don't know. Then this is portable console. This desktop, laptop. Okay, you basically can use for all of this thing. On top, this is the hologram showing that is yeah, they got a verification things. You can scratch here to get the numbers or those password or what. To verify, go to this web page. Verify that is original from Picun, right? At the side here, what we have here also 温柔的声音 meow 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 is soft voice. Meow 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 means how the cat sounds. 生活很讨厌，还好我可爱呀。Life is sucks, but at least I'm cute. 可爱的你用可爱的我 cute you that you own me or what? You own a cute me. And the other side is Picun. The brand itself, this is, you got two colors. This is a pink one, then what I get is the white one. This is cute pink, this is Yuya, but it means Yuya is what we say that? Elegance white, yeah. And this is the WeChat, the Picun or Picun WeChat numbers or group. Okay, let's see behind the specification of this earbud. So the driver is 10mm, impedance of 16 ohm plus minus 15%, frequency response 20 to 20,000 hertz. 20,000, that's quite normal. And then sensitivity 103 dBs plus minus 3 dBs. Mic sensitivity 42 plus minus 3. Okay, that's a kindly reminder. Please continue to use that high volume, might damage hearing. Okay, bottom here is where this thing was made. Okay, enough for the box. Let's pop this open. How to open it? Is it slide out or oh yeah, can just go here. There's a magnet here. You can talk. Front, yeah, you can see that cute little kitty face here. Then the earbud is on top. Slice the entire thing out first. What is behind? Type A to Type C charging cable. Nice. Okay, then the manual. We have Wise Chinese. Oh, 两耳无法同时使用情况，单边无声，请请 all these are the troubleshooting things. Chinese, 启动. And the bottom one is English. Okay, nice. So we got, yep, we got a box, charging cable, and 2 earbuds. Oh, they got an indicator of how many percent of the battery that has. Okay, nice. Oh, here they indicate 8 to 10 meters the range. Okay, there we go. We go for the English one. Okay, I'm talking English, so I'll present you the English version. Charging voltage 5 volt, charging current 50 milliamp, charging case current. Is it so-called charging case or charging current? I thought this is a battery storage capacity 500 milliamps. Oh, anyway, it's just written there, so I just read it out loud. Okay. Operating current. Okay, we got it. Tension. Any other thing that we have to precaution? The warranty card with QC08 parts. I don't know where to claim this. Anyway, go back to this cute little case. If not, I'm not going to purchase this if it doesn't have this cute little face here. Nice packaging. Oh, it's plastic. This plastic is very nice to touch, man. Oh, even the case is very nice to touch. It's not those glossy thing. It's like soft to touch. Oh, the ear is rubber. Top here, the ear is rubber. You can just squeeze it. Oh, so nice. It's not those soft kind of rubber. It's kind of hard, but it's very nice to touch. Okay, back is elegant white. Okay, everything so elegant and white. In front you can see cute little kitty face with winking at you. Let's pop it open. Oh right, see that? It's so bright. It's actually stated 100%. Let's open it again. Can't see it properly because it's just trying to focus here. See that? 100%. Let's try this again. I'll try to focus on this bright light. It's so bright, man. It's 100%. Then on top here, actually you can see there's a mirror here. Hello. So for those cute little girl, you can just use this mirror when you pop this up. Okay. Then from bottom, you can see this charging port, USB Type-C connection. Really nice. I don't know how much we can. I think for this usage of this earbud, that stated that you can use last up to 3 hours continuous using. Then you pop it up in this case, you get another like 6 times. Yeah, nobody going to use that. But this case is really cute, and you can see the earbud itself also kind of cute. You can see the accent here. It's a pink color. Yeah, pink color right earbud, pink color left earbud. Then the bottom also you can see this copper color, and there's this lining around here. Really nice. Okay, is there any protection here? Nope. Let's put this in, see whether is it charging or not. Okay, when it's charging, you can see the color. The earbud is blinking. Why isn't it charging at the left hand side one? Yeah, that's probably some QC problem here. I see if it's there any. Maybe need to wipe out or what. Okay. See when it's charging, got blinking here. And when the left one, I pop it in. No, it doesn't charge. I don't know why. Or am I not putting it correctly? No, shouldn't. Not a good experience. Oh yeah, it's charging now. I don't know why. Maybe I'm not putting it, or maybe it's just the battery is too low that it can't even blink or what just now. So maybe when it pops up, both are actually charging together. And let's wait for some while, let it charge first. Okay. Okay, coming back. Let's try to like connect. Take this out, then use my phone to detect it. Okay, Bluetooth. You can see bottom here, hi Cat. Yup, hi Cat. And it's connected. Let's put it in my ear and hear for sound quality. Not a comfortable things to put inside your ear. It's not comparable to those earbuds that's stuck inside your ear canal, and this is just dangling outside just like the airport. Yeah. I'm going to play some songs here, okay? You see the doggy. Artist, okay. Panner, nah. There's a lot of things. Asia Kung Fu, number 1. Now about 55%, 60%. Sound is, voice is clear, I mean. Whoa, vocal is good, but bass is nothing, no bass at all. But the voice is really crispy clear. The rock is kind of rock, but no bass at all. Let's try for other Jing. Big Bang. Good. I can hear my click here. Not a good isolation, but it's really nice when you look at it. While you're wearing this and actually just pop this open, then you can use the mirror to look at yourself. Adjust the ear. It's really cute. Anyway, if it's go for the bass one, no, sorry, this is not for you. But if you're looking for those cute one and a really nice vocal sound, yeah, this is the product to go with. And the price, I bought it around 30 Sing dollar, 30 plus Sing dollar, 34 I mean, yeah. And it's really cute, and it won't hurt the ear canal because it's just dangling outside your ear. Yeah. Anyway, it's a cute one. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for futures, any other earbud or any other stuff that I think is cute to share. Bye.